TikTok profile lock. What is it and how to remove locked account? Well, a TikTok profile lock generally means your account is set to private, restricting visibility to approved followers only. A padlock icon appears on your profile, hiding your videos from the general public. So if you open up TikTok, head into your profile first. Once you head into your profile, you want to tap on the hamburger icon at the top right and head into settings and privacy. Under it, head into privacy option here and you can see private account. If you enable this, it means your account is locked from general public or general viewers. If they do not follow you, they won't be able to view your content or your contents won't be shown to them. Similarly, if they want to follow you, they'll have to send you a follow request that you'll have to approve yourself, and only then will they be able to view your profile and your videos. So if you want to unlock it, you can head into private account and make sure it is toggled off. So hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe as well.